are doing really well. So this tutorial is going to be about how to use Imagine Web totally for free right on your desktops and web browsers. So let's just get started without wasting any time. So let's just do a quick sign in. So consider I do it with my uh, user account right now. So as soon as that's done, um, let's move to we'll move to the dashboard, right? So yeah, so you get to the dashboard of Imagine Web. So there are a couple of tools which are about to enter into the web very soon. But yeah, let's just without wasting any time, let's just move to the dashboard. So I'm really happy to say that Imagine Web is the only platform right now which provides the unlimited generations right on your web devices, right? You don't have to go to the Discord or maybe mobile device or something to create images on your desktops. The best thing about Imagine is it's live on Android, it's live on iOS as well, and now it's live on web, which is totally free, unless you want to upgrade to some more options. But for the free generation part, for like most of the use cases, it's totally free. So let me show you how to use it. So the way it works is, so you have a prompt bar where you can actually write anything to generate results, right? On the right side, you have these art styles, which actually control the sort of models or the sort of styles that you really want to create your results in. So if I talk about it, Imagine V4 Beta is the latest model from Imagine, which actually is really in terms of aesthetics. It's one of the most aesthetic model that Imagine does have right now. Let me just grab the screen for a proper fitting right here. So here, right. Then we have Imagine V3, which is sort of more diverse in terms of different qualities, right? Then we have an anime model specifically for anime users. Then we do have portrait, realistic, and all of those different styles, right, that you can use. So without wasting any time, let's start with Imagine V4 Beta. So consider that you want to create a, a portrait of a woman of a stock photo or something. So let's just write a quick prompt. Beautiful photo of a uh, beautiful photo of a girl wearing glasses. She is posing for a stock photo in a plain background. So consider I wrote this very simple prompt that it had it enter right. So as like let's wait for the generation and let me just tell you how the other things in the Imagine Web right now works. So there's a negative prompting which you can actually show. We have the results right now here. So let's just do it here and let's keep generating more side by side right now. So then we do have a negative prompt here, which will actually let the model know that what not to create in the result. Then you have a CFG scale, which actually lets give you control over what sort of how much you want the model to listen to your prompt. Lesser the value defines gives the model like flexibility to generate more aesthetically pleasing result, or by increasing it, it lets the model guide that it should be following your prompt much more. Step scale, it's like how much you want your result to be detailed. Seed is more about how much you want your you can say specific seed will result into specific images if you want to generate specific results, right? Or want to share any prompt to any users, you can actually specify a specific seed, and the model will always generate the same thing based on the seed that you provide, right? So consider that here, right? So what I have done is I've written a beautiful photo of a girl wearing glasses. She's posing for a stock photo, plain background, and see the amazing results that it has given to me. And the best thing about Imagine Web is since it's totally free, you can download the image. It's going to be in your local system, and yep, see the fidelity and the crispness of the result that you get with it. So let's take it to and the genre. And the beautiful thing is that you have collections here. So anything that you have been creating previously will be here, right? So let's just a, a vibrant car in a desert. So let's just create simple enough photo with it. And as long as the results are being created, let me just demonstrate you. Yep. So What we have written is a vibrant garden desert and see the vibrance that you get in the actual photo, right? And that's totally mesmerizing. And that's what Imagine Web offers to the users, the fidelity and the crispness of the results that you can't actually get to find anywhere in the web right now. What I can specify is, so example, instead of writing a vibrant car, if I want to specify a vibrant BMW car in a desert. So let's just get the results for it. And yep, see. So now you have the BMW car in the desert, and it looks really good. So let's just jump to another models what Imagine Web can do. So I think the one of the amazing thing with web is that you can have a lot of results that you can actually get to styles that you can actually get to select whilst you're creating. So let's just go to clay motion, right? So if I want the result to be in a clay motion sort of style, you can actually generate that. Um, so you won't have to actually write all the prompting yourself and see. So, so this is like what really you wanted your style to be sort of a clay motion sort of thing. You can actually go towards creating maybe sort of a different sort of other styles as well. So example, if I want to have the result in the volatile style, so let's just generate it right now. And the amazing thing about Imagine Web is it's blazingly fast. You won't have to wait for a minute for just generating one or two images, and that just really sets apart Imagine Web from the rest of the products that you get to actually have on your devices, right? So let's just try another, we can say style as well in the meantime. Um, oh, so let's just create another one. And on the top, you have a couple of different aspect ratios. Yep, so we have a result for volatile, and yep, obviously it's and you can actually download the result right now here. So I think that's the end of how to use Imagine Web right now. And I think the best thing that you can actually do here is, example, if I do have two images or example, I think, so let's just go towards this, let it generate more. And yeah, so you'll get all the images right now within the single console of all the variations that you're generating. And the best thing here is you can actually go to export all and then you'll have a zip of all the files. So thank you so much for your time, guys. That's it for the first tutorial. We'll keep you posted for the more tutorials coming in the future. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.